important questions for tomorrow paper, guest paper, 10th class. Important question, chemistry, class 10th. Define reaction and its type, reversible reaction, irreversible reaction. Describe the macroscopic characteristic of the forward reaction and backward reaction, which is reverse reaction. State the law of the mass action, drive the expression for the chemical equilibrium constant Kc. Determine the unit of equilibrium constant or Kc. Describe the physical properties of acid, physical properties of alkalis. Describe the chemical properties of acid and bases. Describe Arrhenius theory of acid and bases. Describe Bronsted-Lowry theory of ionization. Describe the Lewis concept of acid and bases. Describe the summary of Arrhenius, Bronsted-Lowry and Lewis concept of acid and bases. Define pH, pOH, pH scale. Describe salt. Also describe the preparation of the salt. Define different type of salts. Write note on buffers. Define organic chemistry. Define organic compound. Define molecular formula, structure formula, condensed formula, dot and cross formula. Describe the diversity and magnitude of organic compounds. Define catenation. Define isomerism. Write note on homologous series with example. Describe the formation of alkyl group. Distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Define functional group with examples. Describe the functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Describe the functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and halogens. Define double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Write short note on carbohydrates. Describe the classification of carbohydrates. What are polysaccharides? Define protein. Define lipid, fat. Define fatty acids. Describe the source of lipids. Describe the uses of lipids. Types of nucleic acid. Describe the importance of nucleic acid. Write note on vitamins. Name and describe the layers of atmosphere. Describe the effects of ozone depletion. What are the effects of global warming? Define soft water, hard water and heavy water. Describe the method of removal of temporary hardness and permanent hardness of water. Parameter like error, accuracy, waterborne diseases. Describe the various frequent waterborne diseases. Disorders. Write short note